Respected management, principal madam, teachers, parents, and dear students. A very good afternoon to all of you. Again, a very good evening to all of you. Uh, it is truly an honor and a privilege for me to be here as a chief guest on this special occasion, the Citation Day of Acharya School. I thank management and especially Principal Madam, Mrs. Kavita, for inviting me to be a part of this celebration. This celebration is for excellence, for efforts, and for values. Well, Citation Day is not about certificates, it is not about medals, awards, or prizes. It is a day when hard work is recognized. It is a day when discipline is celebrated. And it is a day when a character is encouraged. It is in actual sense a day that reminds us that education is not about marks on the report cards. It is about shaping a good human being as well as a responsible citizen for tomorrow. Dear students, today is your day. Each one of you sitting here represents effort, curiosity, courage, and values. You are living in a time of well advanced world with great opportunities, right? The world is changing rapidly with science, innovation, and technologies. But no matter how the advanced world become, the fundamental of a meaningful life will always be the same. And what are that? Good conduct, good values, and good character. Now, I would like to emphasize some important aspects of education. Importance of morality. What is morality? Speaking truth, respecting teachers, elders, and peers, standing up for right, be kind to those who are weak, and be honest even no one is watching you, right? Dear students, you may become scientists, leaders, doctors, engineers, administrators, or entrepreneurs. But remember, above all, the nation needs you to become a good son, a good daughter, and a responsible person. So, my motto to encourage morality is education without morality is like a lamp without oil, right? Another important aspect, very crucial as I feel, is civic sense. Civic sense means understanding that we are part of a society, right? And our actions affect others. What are civic sense, if I would say? Simple habits that reflects a big impact. Standing in a queue, keeping our surrounding clean, following traffic rules, speaking politely, helping others in need. Let's take in simple manner. When you do not throw litter on the road, you show love for your country, right? When you follow the rules, you show respect for your society. And when you care for others, you show humanity. Dear students, remember one thing always in your mind: a truly educated person is not known by degrees, but by his behavior. That is all I'm talking about civic sense. Small action, big impact, right? Now, I would like to emphasize one more aspect, role of innovation and creative thinking. Students, the future belongs to those who think differently, who create solutions, and who ask questions. Innovation does not always mean inventing a machine or writing a complex code. No. Innovation begins with creativity, observation, curiosity, and problem solving. If you ask question, how can I do this better? You are already an innovator, right? But along with this, I urge all these students and children, please use technology wisely, not excessively. Now, I would like to give message to parents. Respected parents, today's achievement of your children is also your achievement. Because behind every child, behind every confident child is you. Now you will ask how? I will tell. Your patient guidance with them, your silent sacrifices for them, and constant encouragement for them. In today's competitive world, it is obvious and quite natural that we will focus as a parent on marks, on ranks. But I humbly urge you, to all the parents sitting here, please focus on their emotional strength, their empathy, their moral values, and their discipline. And I also urge to parents, please allow your children to make mistakes, to learn at their own pace, and to explore their own interest. Why? Because a child who feels supported at home and guided at school will grow in a balanced and responsible individual. Like you all, I am also a parent of an Acharyan. And as a proud parent, I truly appreciate how Acharya School nurtures our children through activity-based learning. And this helps our children strong communicative skills as well as their confidence. One more thing I have felt, the involvement of parents, grandparents especially, in celebrating various festivals. It helps our child, it actually allows our child to observe, to experience, for moral values, for respect for culture, and family bonding, obviously. Now, I would like to give message to teachers also. Respected teachers, you are actually nation builders in the truest sense. Yes. How? I would say that teachers not only teach lessons but also shape lives of our children. Right? Your every words inspires. Your every action influences. And your dedication leaves a lifelong impact on them. In the heart of every student, teacher occupy always a special place. How? Years later, student may forget the formula given by a teacher or the definition given by a teacher, but they will never forget a teacher who believed in them. They will never forget a teacher who encouraged them to dream big. And they will never forget a teacher who corrected them with compassion, right? So I personally salute all the teachers for their commitment and noble service. Lastly, I would like to commend the management of Acharya School for creating such an environment that balances academic excellence, holistic development, discipline, and values. Institutions like yours play a critical role in shaping the future of our nation. Why this I tell? How it will build the nation of our nation, build the future of our nation. Why? Because when management, teachers, parents and students work together with a shared vision, the result is not just a successful student, but a responsible individual and citizen. Right? Lastly, I will conclude my words. I congratulate all the award winners and appreciate all the students for their sincere efforts. And I wish Acharya School many, many more years of success in nurturing young minds and shaping brighter future, sun-like future for our nation. Thank you all. Have a good day. Thank you.